Hello, my love. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a self-concept meditation affirmations exercises, which will help us get closer to our desired outcome. Self-concept is the foundation of a successful manifestation, and it is built by daily intentional efforts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let us grow to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the month. If you would like to build your self-concept to 100% for the next 21 days, check my description box for a guided routine exercises that you can practice every day. It is super affordable for just $5.90 and accessible to everyone. And after 21 days, come back to share your transformation with us. Let's begin. I want you to take a deep breath in, deep breath out one more time. Deep breath in, hold for 15 seconds. Then release. I want you to repeat after me. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am enough. I am enough. I am deserving. I am deserving. I prioritize myself. I prioritize myself. I trust my abilities to make the right decisions. I trust my abilities to make the right decisions. I am capable. I am capable. Can make it happen. Can make it happen. And I will make it happen. And I will make it happen. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am enough. I am enough. I am deserving. I am deserving. I prioritize myself. I prioritize myself. I trust my abilities to make the right decisions. I trust my abilities to make the right decisions. I am worthy. I am deserving. Why am I so lucky? I trust my abilities to make the right decisions. I prioritize myself. Why am I so lucky? I am enough. I am enough. I am capable. I am capable, and I will make it happen. I am deserving. I am deserving. I am enough. I am enough. I am deserving.